Wel- Welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about which sand is better for the construction purpose. Whether is it a manufactured sand or a river sand. See, you have to come to a conclusion after going through the entire presentation. In this presentation, I am going to talk about what is manufactured sand and what is river sand, the properties, the cost, etc. The conclusion of taking a decision whether to use a M sand or a river sand is up to you and up to your project location and various other factors. Okay. Difference between manufactured sand and river sand. What is M sand and what is river sand, which we are going to discuss about now. What is M sand? Manufactured sand is nothing but an artificial sand made from crushing of a ranks or a granite for a construction purposes in cement or a concrete. Manufactured sand differs from natural river sand in its physical and mineralogical properties. To derive the required sizes, these hard rock deposits are crushed and this material segregated in different fractions to suit different construction sites. The chemical characteristic and strength of manufactured sand are similar to the river sand. Manufactured sand has a silt content around 0.2 percentage and water absorption is 1.6 percentage as compared to 0.45 percentage of silt and 1.15 percentage of water absorption respectively in river sand. This sand is alternative to river sand or which you call it as a natural sand. Manufactured sand, cheaper sand compared to the river sand. What is a river sand? It is naturally available and extracted from the river beds or the river banks. Naturally, river sand is available in the market. The sand is largely used only in the construction. The shape of crushed sand is angular and cubical and has a rough texture and hence better for concreting. River sand use of the construction industry is growing with a major trust in the infrastructure and the demand for sand also increasing. The overuse of river sand construction has many social consequences and undesirable environmental impact. This sand used as a fine aggregate in mortar concrete and natural river sand is the most preferred part as a fine aggregate materials. Manufactured sand is a substitute for a river sand for a concreting construction. Manufactured used sand is produced from hard granite stone by crushing. The crushed sand is a cubical shape with the grounded edges, washed and graded to as a constructional material. The size of the manufactured sand is less than 4.75 millimeter. Why manufactured sand is being used? Manufactured sand is an alternative for a river sand due to fast growing construction industry. The demand for sand has increased tremendously, causing deficiency in suitable river sand in most part of the world. Due to depletion of good quality river sand for the use of construction, the use of manufactured sand has been increased. Another reason for using M sand is availability and the transportation cost. Since manufactured sand can be crushed from the hard granite tracks, It can easily available at the nearby places, reducing the cost of transportation from far off river bed. Thus, the cost of construction can be controlled by the use of manufactured sand as an alternative material for a construction. The other advantage of using M sand is it can be a dust free. The sizes of the M sand can be controlled easily so that it meets the required grading for the given construction. Advantages of M sand: it is well graded in the required proportion. It does not contain organic and soluble compound that affects the setting time and properties of the cement. Thus, the required strength of the concreting can be maintained. It does not have the presence of impurities such as clay, dust and silk coating. Increased water requirement, as in the case of river sand, which impair bond between cement paste and aggregate. Thus, increased quality and the durability of the concrete. M sand is obtained from a specific hard rock using the state-of-art international technology. Thus, the required property of the sand has been obtained. So, this is the image of a property sand in the quarry. It does not have the presence of impurities such as clay, dust, silt contents. Increased water requirement, as in the case of river sand, which impair bond between cement paste and aggregate. Thus, increased quality and durability of the concreting. M sand is obtained from a specific hard rock using the state-of-art information technology. Thus, the required property of the sand has been obtained. M sand is in cubical in shape and manufactured using high carbon steel heat rock and then rock and rock process, which is synonymous so that of natural process undergoing of river sand information. Modern and imported machineries such as a vertical shaft impactor are used to produce M sand to ensure required grading zone for the sand. So, this is the image of a vertical shaft impactor. High strength concrete. The manufactured sand has the required gradation of fineness, physical properties such as shape, smooth surface structure and consistency, which make its best sand suitable for a construction. These physical properties of sand provides greater strength to the concreting by reducing segregation, bleeding, honeycombing, voids and capillary. Thus, required grade of sand for the given purpose helps the concreting fill voids between coarse aggregates and makes concreting most compact and dense, thus increasing the strength of the concreting. Durability of the concreting. Since manufactured sand is processed from selected quality of the granite, it has the balanced physical and chemical properties for a construction of concreting structure. This property of M sand helps the concreting structure to withstand extreme environmental condition and prevents the corrosion of the reinforcement steel by reducing permeability, moisture ingress, freeze thaw effect and increasing the durability of the concreting structure. Workability of the concreting. Size, shape, texture plays an important role of workability in concreting. With more surface of area sand, the demand for cement and water increases to bond the sand with the coarse aggregate. The control over these physical properties of manufacturing sand make the concreting requires less amount of water and provide higher workable concreting. The less use of water also help in increasing the strength of the concreting. You might know excess of 1 liter of water will reduce the concreting strength by 15 kg per centimeter square. Less effort for mixing and placement of concreting. and thus increases the productivity of the construction activities at the site. Less construction defects. Construction defects during placement and post concreting, such as segregation, bleeding, honeycombing, voids, and capillary in concreting, get reduced by the use of M sand, as it has the optimum and initial final setting as well as a excellent fineness. Economy. As discussed above, since usage of M sand is increased the durability, higher strength, reduction of segregation, permeability, increased workability, decreased post concreting defects, it proves to be economical as a construction material replacing river sand. It can also save the transportation cost of a river sand in many cases. Eco-friendly. Usage of manufactured sand prevents dredging of river beds to get a river sand, which may lead to environmental disasters like groundwater dilutions, water scarcity, threat to the safety of the bridges, dams, etc. To make a M sand more eco-friendly than the river sand. Testing of sand quality at the construction site for concreting mix design using crushed sand quality as cement and sand calculation in mortar. Properties of the manufactured sand. The shape of the crushed sand is cubical and angular and has a rough texture, and hence it is better for concreting. It does not contain silt as it manufactured by a crushing aggregate. However, if screening is not proper, sometimes it may contain some dust. It does not contain any moisture. When used in concreting, the setting time of concreting is completely faster. The compressive strength and flexural strength of the concreting made from M sand are higher than the natural sand. When it is used in the concrete, the permeability of the concreting is very poor as compared to river sand. It is artificially manufactured, so there are no oversized material. The water absorption crushed sand is 2 to 4%. The slump of the crushed sand is less as compared to the river sand. It does not contain any marine. The bulk density of crushed sand is 1.5 grams per cubic centimeter. The specific gravity of the crushed sand is 2.5 to 2.9, depend upon the rock where it has been crushed. While using crushed sand in concreting, there is no need of bulkage correction during mix design. The ability of hold surface moisture of crushed sand is up to 10%. It has less adulteration than the river sand. It causes less damage to the environment as compared to natural sand. It has a better quality as compared to natural sand because it is manufactured in a controlled environment. It can be produced in the area closer to the construction site, bringing down the cost of transportation and providing the consistent supply. It is highly recommended for RCC work, brickwork, and block work. It is cheaper than the river sand. Rate of construction sand is approximately 1000 rupees cubic meter, which you have to verify at your site. Manufactured sand, river sand. The difference between M sand and river sand. Properties. Definition. River sand. River sand, also known as a natural sand, and is a type of a sand that is available naturally and it is extracted from the river banks. Manufactured sand. Manufactured sand represented manufactured sand. It also known as a manufactured fine aggregate or a crushed sand. It is a type of a sand that is artificially made in industries by crushing a rock, quarry stones, or larger aggregate pieces into the size of a sand properties into a factory or a construction site. Source. Manufacturing. Source naturally available, which M sand is available at quarry site. Manufacturing. River sand is excavated from the riverbeds or riverbanks by dredging, whereas M sand is manufactured in factories by crushing rocks, quarry stones, etc. Shape and size. River sand is rounded in shape and has a smooth surface. M sand is a cubical or angular in shape and has a rough texture. Wastages. There will be more wastages in the river sand due to use of river sand as compared to the manufactured sand. There will be very minimal wastages due to the use of material sand as it is already sieved in the required sizes. Moisture content. In river sand, the moisture content present between the sand particles. Note, moisture content had effects on the assumption of the concreting mix design and quality of the concreting. Manufactured sand had no moisture content at all. Strength. The compressive strength and the flexural strength of the river sand for the same mix ratio as compared to M sand is less. The compressive strength and the flexural strength of the M sand for the same mix ratio as compared to river sand is high in the manufactured sand. The sand, please take a note. This will be happen if the sand has been well graded. Setting time. When river sand is used in the concreting, the setting time is normal. When the M sand used in the concreting, the setting time is comparatively faster to the river sand. Workability. The workability of the concreting manufactured with the river sand is more than that of manufactured with the M sand. The workability of the concreting manufactured with the M sand is lesser than that of with the river sand. Permeability. When river sand is used in the concreting, the permeability of the concrete is less poor as compared to M sand. When M sand is used in the concreting, the permeability of the concreting is very poor as compared to the river sand. Permeability. When river sand is used in the concreting, the permeability of the concrete is less poor as compared to the manufactured sand. Water absorption. In river sand, the water absorption will be 1.5 to 3%. Whereas in the manufactured sand, the water absorption will be 2 to 4%. Presence of silt clay. River sand consists of silt and silt material, whereas in M sand it does not have silt or clay material as it is being manufactured from the rock. Presence of oversized material. River sand consists of oversized material. Therefore, before using, the sand must be washed and screened respectively. Manufactured sand does not contain oversized material as it manufactured at the plant artificially. Presence of marine products. River sand may contain various marine products such as seashells, tree barks, grass, and many more which needs to be removed. Whereas in M sand it does not have any marine product, thus the removal of these materials will be saved and the time and cost also saved. Presence of microfine articles. River sand are naturally formed, they contain less microfine articles. As M sands are manufactured in industry, they contain more microfine articles due to the crushing of stones and aggregates. Slump. River sand contains more slump than the M sand. M sand contains less slump than the river sand. Bulk density. The bulk density of the river sand is 1.44 grams per centimeter cube. The bulk density of the M sand is 1.75 grams per centimeter square. Specific gravity. Specific gravity as river sand is 2.3 to 2.7. The specific gravity of the river sand depend upon the catchment area and the rock area. Whereas in the manufactured sand, the specific gravity of M sand ranges from 2.5 to 2.9. The specific gravity depend upon which rock it has been crushed. Bulkage. While river sand is being used, the bulkage correction is required during mixed design. Whereas in M sand, you don't have to work out on a bulkage calculation. Ability to hold a surface water. The ability to hold a surface water by river sand is up to 7%. The ability to hold a surface water by M sand is up to 10%. Adulteration. There is a high probability of adulteration in the river sand because acute shortage in coastal areas. River sand adulteration with a saline sea sand is common. The adulteration in the M sand is very quality. The quality of the river sand differs from one another. The quality of the M sand is better as it is manufactured in a controlled environment. Environmental factor. The extraction of the river sand is harmful to the environment and causes ecological imbalance. Note: extraction of river sand reduces the groundwater level and river water gets dries up. Water table levels get reduced due to the dragging of the sand from the river, and the roots of the tree may not be able to get the water. In the absence of sand in the river, the water gets evaporated due to direct sunlight. M sand is considered eco-friendly and causes less damages to the environment. Availability. The facilities of M sand is not available in the river sand. The production M sand can be done in areas closer to the construction site. This will reduce to bring down the cost of a transportation and a consistent supply. Cost. River sand is more expensive than the manufactured sand, whereas manufactured sand is cheaper. Usages. River sand can be used for RCC, brickwork, plaster, etc. M sand also can be used for the same purposes as in the river sand. Now you can decide which sand is better for your site. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, which is known as the Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link is provided as below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share,